Hello everybody, I am Mehmet from Flight School. In this video we are going to talk about the effects of the blockers or leakage stations on our airspeed indicator. At the exams, they ask you lots of combinations of blockers or leakage stations on pressure instruments. For example, aircraft may climb or descend. During these phases of flight, aircraft may have static source blockers or static source leakage, or pitoprop blockers or pitoprop leakers. To solve all the questions easily, we have 5 basic steps, but not memorizing it, to solve all the questions. Step 1. Draw the movement. Aircraft may have a climb or descent, does not matter, just draw the movement. In this case, we have a climbing aircraft. Step 2. Write the pressures. We have 3 different pressure types that are used by our pressure instruments. First, total pressure, dynamic pressure, and static pressure. Write them all again for the next level. Total pressure, dynamic pressure, and static pressure. Step 3. Put the values. Put some values randomly to the pressures. For example, total pressure is 30. Static pressure is 10 and dynamic pressure is 20, of course. If the aircraft climbs, static pressure will decrease. For example, it will be 5. Dynamic pressure will stay same because there is no change in airspeed, it's 20, and total pressure is of course sum of these two values, 25. These two groups of values for normal conditions. There is no blockage station included right now. Step 4. Insert the question. The question may say you, there is a static source blockers on the aircraft. In this case, the static source will measure the previous value for the current level as 10. Now, calculate the other pressures again. Total pressure will be 25 because there is no blockers on pitoprop, and the dynamic pressure will be 15. And step 5, read the difference. This is our blocker station values, this is our normal values. The airspeed indicator must show us a value of 20, but it shows us a value of 15. So it's underrated. You can integrate these 5 steps for all the blockers or leakage stations on our pressure instruments. Don't forget, we have 5 basic steps. Draw the movement, write the pressure, put the values, insert the question, and read the difference.